Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Wellington local and long distance movers near me. The right movers for your long distance move will make a huge difference. You need a team ready to do more than just transport your things. Our movers will provide many services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Justifying the cost of hiring a Florida moving company isn't always easy. However, a closer look at the benefits of hiring local movers can make it much easier. Since you'll save time, you'll be able to focus on other important aspects of your move. With professional movers, you will also avoid any heavy lifting, which can keep you from becoming injured. Of course, having professionals handle your things means they will also be well protected. A good moving company such as 3 Movers can ensure your entire move goes much faster. You can get settled into your new home or business location faster. While your move might take you a few days to complete, we can do it in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Wellington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.